Welcome to our comparison of two popular portable washing machines, the WonderWash and the Scrubba wash bag. If you're someone who travels frequently, camps, or simply needs a compact laundry solution for small spaces, this video is for you. We'll dive into the key features of both products, highlighting their strengths and weaknesses to help you make an informed decision. The WonderWash boasts a capacity of 5 pounds, making it ideal for larger loads of laundry. In contrast, the Scrubba wash bag is designed for smaller loads, which may require more frequent washing sessions. If you often find yourself needing to wash multiple items at once, the WonderWash may be the better choice for you. When it comes to portability, the Scrubba wash bag takes the lead. Weighing only 5.3 ounces, it is incredibly lightweight and compact, making it perfect for travel. On the other hand, the WonderWash, while still portable, is bulkier and heavier, weighing in at 5.5 pounds. If you're looking for a washing solution that you can easily carry in your backpack, the Scrubba is the way to go. The WonderWash features a charming retro design that is both attractive and durable, made from ABS plastic. Its hand crank operation is straightforward, but it does require some physical effort. In contrast, the Scrubba wash bag offers an innovative design with a built-in washboard, making it easy to use without the need for electricity. However, its unique design may require some getting used to for first-time users. In conclusion, both the WonderWash and Scrubba wash bag have their unique advantages. If you prioritize capacity and a traditional washing experience, the WonderWash is a solid choice. However, if you're looking for something ultra-portable and easy to use while traveling, the Scrubba wash bag is the better option. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.